Hello guys, this is Kazim here. Thanks for tuning into another training video. Today I'll be teaching you how to create this simple photo manipulation effect in Adobe Photoshop. These are the elements I'll be using: this light bulb image, and this water splash, and this goldfish image. You can always shoot me an email if you want these source files. I'll be happy to email it to you. So let's get started by opening up Photoshop. Here I have set up a folder in which I have placed the elements which we'll be using in this training video. So I have my light bulb image as well as the water splash and the fish image. Once you have set up your images in a folder, then go up to the Photoshop. Once you have set up your images in the folder, navigate to your Photoshop here and click on File and click on New. I will set up this to be just set as any web size preset, 800 into 600 pixels, and I will hit OK. Next thing I'll do is I will create a gradient here. I'll grab the gradient bucket tool from the toolbar here, and if you want to set up the gradient like mine, you just need to click on this color palette, and from here you can add the gradient. You can just click anywhere on the slider and it will add a slider of the color, and just double click it and just set the color to what you want. I'll just to remove the color, just click and drag anywhere outside the canvas, and it will remove that color palette. Here I have set it to dark gray and then light gray in between, and then the dark gray again on the right, and I'll hit OK. And while holding on shift on the keyboard, I'll drag from top to bottom to make this gradient effect, so we will have a background color. Next thing I'll do is I'll navigate to the document where I have saved my images. Then I'll right click on the image of the light bulb and click on open with, and click to open it with Photoshop. Once the image is been opened in Photoshop, I'll remove the white background from this white bulb image. To remove the white background, you can click on the magic wand tool in the toolbar, which is the fourth tool in the toolbar. Click on the white canvas and it will select that area. Once you have selected the white area, then click on select and click on inverse, and it will now select just the bulb. Click on edit and copy, and then paste it here, and just click on transform. Once you have pasted it, just click on edit and click on free transform. Shortcut key is Command T on the keyboard if you're using Mac, and Command Control T if you're using Windows. While holding down shift, click and drag it to resize it like so, and then hit enter once done. Then again you can click on edit and free transform, and then just rotate it like so towards the left and hit enter. So here we have our light bulb image placed up. The next thing we'll need to do is grab our splash, water splash. I will click and drag this image into Photoshop, and this is the water splash which we'll be placing there. Just click on select and click on select all, and then go into the edit menu and click on copy, and then navigate to the window you're working on. Now what you need to do is to place the water inside this bulb image itself, you need to select this portion. To do that, just click on the fourth tool in the toolbar, the magic wand tool. Click and hold, and the quick selection tool will pop up. Just click on this and then click inside the light bulb and drag that portion, and it will select this light bulb image. You can just see, you can just hold on shift and click to select at the edges as well. Once that's done, click on, and if you don't want the unwanted selection, you will need to hold down Alt on the keyboard. The symbol will turn to minus, and you can click anywhere and it will deselect that portion. Once you have selected the portion, click on edit and go into paste special and click on paste into. So it will paste the water splash right inside the bulb. To resize this, click on Command T on the keyboard to transform the water splash and resize it while holding down shift on the keyboard. So you can place it anywhere you want. I'll just place it halfway across like this, and you can just tilt it and it will look like the water is inside the bulb. Just hit enter once you're done. Next thing what we'll do is we'll place the fish inside this bulb. Just go up to the images folder and grab the fish image. I'll click and drag inside the Photoshop, and I'll just click on select all and click on edit copy, and I'll go to the document I was working on and I'll just paste it here, and I'll resize it while holding down shift on the keyboard like so. Once you're happy with it, just hit enter and grab your move tool, the top tool in the toolbar. Then with your move tool, just click anywhere and move the fish inside the water and decrease the opacity from the opacity menu here. If you don't have your opacity menu opened up, which is inside this layers panel, click on window menu on top and click on layers, and your layers panel will open up. From here you can decrease the opacity from 100 to, I'll just set it to 70, so it will look like as if the fish is inside the water. So here's your final image. You can just save it, click on file, click on save as. I'll just save this as water bulb and just hit OK. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. You can always shoot me an email if you have any questions to ask. I'll be happy to answer them. You can also visit my website kazemdesigns.com for more training videos, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you soon guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.